everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your natural nail guru Tati, and today we have a fun artsy video to do. It is going to be a review and first impression on the Beetles gel art polishes. Ooh. So if you haven't seen any of my Beetles videos before, definitely make sure you check it out. At the end of the video, I will link their full review that I did. We had multiple clients testing out their product. We truly checked out the wear that you can expect from their gel polish kits, which I totally love. I've gotten such great results. Extremely affordable and accessible. I love the kits that come with just a bunch of colors and everything that you need to do really fun manicures. So if you haven't checked out their wear review that I've done, definitely make sure you do that, okay? But today we're gonna be checking out something a little different. They have these new gel art polishes that are essentially a gel polish that has a liner brush as the applicator versus a traditional normal nail polish brush applicator. So you already know the drill when it comes to me. I want to check everything out. So we'll do a quick little unboxing, check out the colors that the kits come with. All the links, I'll make sure to link it down in the descriptions below, as well as with my discount code if you visit the website, so you can save a couple extra bucks. But we're going to check out the colors, open them up, check out to see what these brushes look like in the bottles, and then we're going to put it to the test. I have 3 different designs that we're going to do that's going to help test out a couple of things that I want to see in these brushes. So number 1, can I get really good thin and delicate fine lines? Can I get really nice sharp lines? Does it, have good control in the brush? Does it bleed out gel polish everywhere? Does it hold enough gel polish in it so that way we don't dry out as we're doing our design? Can we fill in spaces? Do we have a lot of control in the flexibility so we could do curves and swoops without losing control of the liner brush? So I have little nails here already ready to go so that we can put these to the test and see how much nail art we can create, how convenient it is. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys want to keep up to date with all of the most thorough nail product reviews and all of the best tips that are going to help improve the health of your natural nails and get you the longest lasting manicures, you already know what to do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, get your notifications on. To those that have already subscribed and are watching, I do appreciate so much your viewership. I hope you find it interesting and helpful. But let's not waste any more time and let's get to this review. Okay, so we have 2 kits here of the gel art brushes. Let's go ahead and open up the smaller one. Oh yes, we have definitely some neon color action going on here. Let's see. I love the pastels. And with matte, both of these, I love it. All right, let's put these babies to work. Okay, so I already have 3 nails prepped here. And I figure we're gonna try 3 different nail designs. So I want to see overall how detailed we can get with the brushes. Can we do really nice thin lines? Can we also use it to kind of fill in spaces? And how flexible is that brush? So when we're doing like little curves, swoopies, circles, anything that's not a straight line, how easy are we gonna be able to maneuver that? So let's get doing. I got 3 nails here. I'm going to do swoopies, I'm going to do geometric, and then I'll do a shape that we need to fill in. And you guys are going to see how awesome these little things can be. Let's see. So I figure I'm going to do some swoopies using pastels, and then the neons I'm going to use for the other ones. So essentially it's just gel polish. Look how thin that brush is. Very nice. Okay, so the swoopies I'm going to do on the sheer. Yes. Okay, let's do swoopies in the sheer. So let me start with this one. Now the swoopies is, I know all you guys have seen it. Let me move this up a little bit. Pretty much like a cute little like swirl on the nail, and you layer up different colors with it. Ooh. Oh, that was nice. I definitely want to get this one a little thicker. Oh wow, I love so far how easy I'm able to get in there with that. I think I want more of a curve here. Oh, that's nice. It definitely holds a good amount of polish, but you're able to keep really nice thin detail. Love it. Let's get this side cured. Okay, so let's move on to the second line. Normally when I'm doing gels, I will wipe it before I do a line next to it because I don't want it to bleed, but we're just gonna go for all the craziness today and not wipe that sticky line. Okay, which color should I go first? Actually, I wanna do this one next. You really can't be afraid to like just get the gel on there. It moves so smoothly. Look how cute. Love it. Still have a nice clean line. Ooh, let's get that cured. So here we go, we have it cured. Let me do a touch up of the yellow. All right, so let's go in with the third. I'm thinking we should do the pink. Let's do a pink. I'm gonna do a really thin pink. Let's do a thin. Okay, now let's go in with the purple. I definitely want to do it over here next to the yellow, and we're going to do it kind of thin as well. Ah, the splash on my cup. Get off my cup, Look how cute that came out. Ooh, I love it. And you know what? I'm gonna add something else to it because I'm inspired. We're gonna go for their white. Okay, you saw how easy it was to do cute little dots. Look how tiny I was able to get some of these dots without any effort. I love a brush that I can do everything with because I've been using the same brush for 6 years and I do every dot and every stripe with it. I love it. Okay, let's get this cured. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Beetles Top It Off. This one is ready. Doing this matte would also be cute, but we're keeping it glossy. Look at that. Let's cure it. Okay, so here we have it. Look at how beautiful that came out. Ah, I love it. This is my first time using striper art gels like that. And it was very, very nice. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and let's take care of some thin lines. I want to see how easy I can use these for thin lines. Let me check out these brushes. Okay, these are pretty much just as thin, just different size bottles. Summertime is really, really popular for geometric nail art, doing shapes or just lines across the nail. So here, let's just do a couple of lines. Let me start off with the yellow. And let me tell you, these brushes definitely hold a lot of gel and not in a clunky way. You're still able to get some good details. So let's put it to the test right here. Boom. Oh, look at that. That's a nice line. Really nice to go over it again. Let me tell you, nothing more satisfying than going over the same line twice. Oh, it's amazing. Okay, let's get that cured. I love that you don't really even need a second coat. Like for the yellow one, I did a second coat, but only because I didn't mix the bottle up, so there was a couple little like sheerish spots. But it's nice. I'm really, really liking it. Okay, now we're gonna test filling in with the striper brush. So I'm gonna do a super cool, I'm obsessed with this little lightning bolt. So I'm essentially gonna do the same thing, but using these two colors. Look at how easy that was. You have no idea how long it took me to do this with my striper brush. Oh my goodness. Not only was I able to fiddle it in, but look at how sharp those edges are. Ah, beautiful lightning bolt, love it. Now I'm gonna go in with this lovely electric royal blue and we're gonna make the shadow spots, or shadow lines, I guess. here we have it done with a glossy top coat. Look how cute that is. Look at all three of the designs. We did curvy and swoopy. We were able to do small dot detail. We're able to do, you know, the lines where you just kind of lift it and it gives you that nice peak. Really, really awesome. I was able to fill in very easily. You guys saw how easy it was to make that lightning bolt and fill it in. Look how thin those lines are. The fact that I was able to get that consistency and that coat or that coverage in the first coat is amazing, because I don't have to go twice over it and risk making the line thicker or uneven. And also you don't have all of those little bumps that start getting created. Look at that. It's like if I got a little piece of hair in there. Oops, it's my fault. But look at that. You see no bumps whatsoever. That was just one top of the matte top coat, or one coat of the matte top coat. That is valuable, not just for time, but also for the look of the design. Look how cute these are. Oh my God, I absolutely love it. I mean, you could judge for yourselves, but the detail work and the flexibility that I have for each one of those brushes is absolutely amazing. The colors are super pigmented, really, really nice, very versatile. I love it. Comment what you think of these super cute designs below. All right, so there we go. You guys saw it for yourselves. The gel art brushes are really, really awesome. There's lots of different kits available, different colors that you can get. Links are gonna be below in the description, as well as my discount code on my gel from their website, so you can save yourself a couple extra bucks. I hope everyone really enjoyed it. Definitely comment down below and tell me what you thought about the liner brushes and their gel art polishes. And if there's anything else Beetles related that you'd love for me to review or answer, I'm here for you. So thank you so much for tuning in, everyone, and I will check you out on the next one. Bye.